I guide you to hide Instagram following and followers list. For that, go to your Instagram, tap on the profile. You can go to top three lines. If you scroll down, you can find account privacy and see if it is your professional account. You first make sure to change it to personal account. For that, you can go to create a tools and controls or otherwise business rules and controls. From there, you can switch your account type to personal account. Later on, you can get back to account privacy. And if you tap on account privacy, here it will available for changing to private account. If you tap on private account, that will be switched to private account. This will help you to hide your followers and following list from others. The people who already been following you or the followers can see them, but you can't hide from them. All you can do is that you can go to the following or followers. You can tap on three dots over there. You can unfollow them, or otherwise, you can go to your followers. And from there, you can tap on their name. And from here, you can tap on remove follower. And this is how you can hide following and followers list. Thank you.